What's the meaning of charisma? Charisma. Charisma.
Charisma. Charisma. Charisma is a personality trait that describes the ability of an individual to attract and influence people through their charm and magnetism. People with charisma possess a natural talent for engaging with others, making them feel at ease and inspired by their presence. Charismatic individuals have the power to persuade others to their point of view, and often exude confidence, warmth, and enthusiasm. They are often able to create strong connections with those around them, and can be very influential in social, political, or business settings where people are looking for someone to lead or inspire them.